what's going on, YouTube family? We are back with another update. Now, of course, many of you have probably already seen some videos on this, so you guys know that I am bearing bad news, right? I'm not coming to tell you guys that everything has been fixed, because it has not been fixed in regarding the cotps platform and their SMS and withdrawal issues. Now, many of you may know though that there has been some interesting discoveries that has come about recently within this last day. And what I can really say is that things are getting weird, guys. So there's a platform that was similar to cotps called Swapnex. They have stated that they are not necessarily an arbitrage platform. They are just an intermediary in between you and an arbitrage platform, which would be cotps, and they are blaming cotps for basically everything that has happened, and they are shutting down their website. And like I said, I know that this is not new news to most of you, okay? And if this is new news to you, then I'm sorry to be the bearer of the bad news, but that is what we are looking at right now. So pretty much anyone who has put their money into that platform, you're not going to get it back. As far as the cotps, now I'm not too sure what's going to happen with that. They have sent out a new message stating that May 20th is going to be the day where things are going to be restored. So we will see what happens tomorrow. I would give it at least until the end of the day tomorrow, and hopefully we will get access. Now, I would not be surprised if there is a withdrawal limit, especially if you put a ton of money in there. That probably will not be very helpful. I know that even Swapnex, when they put their withdrawal limit, it was a $100 limit for one manual order every single day. So that's really not a lot of money, especially for somebody who has put in thousands of dollars. We will see what happens with the cotps platform. I'm definitely going to keep you guys updated, but I did want to get on here because, again, I've had a few people putting comments on my other videos asking, was there any update for today, which today is May 19th. So far, there are no good updates, so I'm not going to drag this video out any longer. But if you are a part of this, if you were a part of the Swapnex platform, then you know I am so sorry, and I hate that you've lost so much money. If you are part of the cotps platform, my word of advice is just to keep your head up, and let's just see what happens tomorrow. I'll be back tomorrow with another video with any new information that comes out. But one thing that I did want to come on here and talk to you guys about is that a lot of people lost money in Swapnex, and depending on how this turns out with cotps, some people are going to be losing money there. And I want to talk about the mental health aspect of this, because there are a lot of people who may have put their last dollar in these platforms. And so if you know someone who has lost a lot of money or is very stressed out due to the fact that their money is tied up in these arbitrage platforms that they can no longer withdraw, just check on them, okay? Say hi, send them a text, give them a call, because like I said, I know a lot of people who have lost a lot of money, and mental health is very, very important. And I know that there are people really going through it right now. And I know that we can say, you know, don't panic. I know that we can say, don't stress out about it, but frankly, that's not the situation for everyone. Like I said, there are some people who may have put their last dollar into these accounts hoping to change their life, and it's looking like that is not the case. So just check on your friends is all I have to really say. But one thing that I can tell you, this is really my first experience with crypto, with investing into this cotps platform. So it's been interesting, but even if the money is lost, I put about $6,800 in there total. If you guys see my other videos, you've seen that. But this has sparked my interest though in trading. So I'm going to be learning and studying and doing a lot more research on that, and I'll probably document that process for you all and share that. And anything that I learn, I of course will share it with you all, my YouTube family. But learning how to get into this space in a way that maybe it's not as easy and simple as the cotps platform, but hopefully something that has a little bit more longevity and less stress, okay, than these platforms. Because as you guys know, these last few days have been crazy. So again, we'll wait until tomorrow, the 20th, to see what really happens with the cotps platform. But other than that, that's really the only update that I have. I know that there are a ton of YouTube creators who have made videos about joining the platform. I've seen some people saying they should take them down. I think that all the videos, if you are a creator who have made videos trying to recruit people into these platforms, I think that you should definitely take the responsibility to at least put a disclaimer on these videos telling people to not put their money into it. I know that the Swapnex website is just gone completely. So that if you go and put swapnex.io in your search bar, COTPS pops up. So they forwarded the address to COTPS, which is weird, but the COTPS platform is still up and it's operating and it's working. I have been looking at some comments and some things on Twitter though of people saying that the trades that scroll on your screen are just in a loop. So I'm really curious to know if you guys have noticed that it's been in a loop, or are they making that up? I haven't really paid attention to it, honestly, so I haven't even really noticed if it was, but that's definitely a huge red flag. So like I said, I guess we can just wait it out, wait until the 20th, which is tomorrow. But I'll be back with another update video tomorrow to let you guys know if I hear anything. Let me know your thoughts down below. If any of you guys are interested in learning about trading in a way that's way more legitimate than this, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be posting a ton more content as I learn about this process. Of course, I'm going to share it with you all. So that's all that we got for tonight's update. I know it's not really a great update, but I figured I'd come on here, and there may be some people who just don't know what's going on, so I just want to at least be a resource for those people. If you already know this information, then great. If not, here it is, and we'll be back again tomorrow with another update. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you are interested in learning how to make money online, growing your business, entrepreneurship, all that good stuff, all right? This channel will be for you. Hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and this is your favorite stay-at-home millionaire, Sarah Nicole. We're gonna catch you on the next video.